Hey y'all, it's your girl WineFineKe. Yes, and I'm just hanging out. I totally am gonna post another tutorial, probably like really soon. Like, I just have been doing other things. But I'm gonna make some time to post a tutorial. I really have been working on me one of those little cute thumbnails. And I'm just trying to get that in the works because I really want my next video to have my cute little thumbnail with the little tags and the little thing that, it's like YouTube and Instagram and Facebook and stuff. So with the cute little sound. So I'm just trying to get that in the works. Also, I've been having a little fun. I have. I really learned how to do that. That out west. I learned how to do the out west. And I've really just been experiencing little new stuff. Like, I tried out the escape room, and guys, I did not make it out. We totally died on Mars, so that was crazy. Anyway, so I've just been doing my own thing right now. And the reason that I'm sitting in the car is because I'm looking for somewhere to eat at out here. Like, because I look so cute, I'm a little wrinkly, I know, y'all. Like, OMG, let me live. Let me live because I did put my shirt in the dryer and it knocked a little bit of the wrinkles out, but it did not knock all of my wrinkles out. So don't do that. Don't do that. I don't like it. I don't like that. But for real. So yeah, I'm just looking for something to eat out here. Something nice. I really think that today is Seafood Sundays. Ooh, Seafood Sundays. And I'm probably finna go and eat some crab legs. That's probably what I'm gonna do. That sounds like a good idea. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to make a cute little video, letting y'all know what I have going on. And just remember, it's your girl. You know what? Before I go, let me just let y'all know, like, what I did today. Like, as far as my makeup, I just did me a little light makeup beat with my signature bowl. I really just did my hair in a cute, I guess, back bun with a little bit of edges and just natural. I really was just going for a really natural look today. Yeah. So I'm gonna get out of here. And remember, it's your girl, WineFineKe, keeping you ladies fine, one tutorial at a time.